聯邦環境部向大溫地區發出特別天氣聲明，指今日至下星期將會迎嚟炎熱嘅天氣，週末氣溫更加將會高達30度以上。當局就呼籲公眾留意，避免中暑。梁家善嘅報導。
加拿大環境部今日對溫哥華島以及內陸中北部發出酷熱警告，並對低陸平原多個城市發出特別天氣聲明。白天最高氣溫將達到20幾度到30幾度，預計至少未來10日都唔會落雨。
So they can think about the coolest part of their house. It may be a part of the house that's on a lower floor or a part of the house that isn't in direct sunlight, and they can plan to spend time there. They can sleep there, even if it's not their normal bedroom. If people are able to have an air conditioning, that can really help. Make sure it's installed and it's working. Make sure people have fans on hand and plan to use those later in the day to bring cooler air into the home.
McPhee 亦都提醒新移民了解當局設立嘅高溫預警系統，並了解自己身處嘅社區相應嘅資源。
Municipalities do set up things like cooling centers where people can go and spend time in air conditioning. They set up mist centers where you can cool down with mist and cold water, spray parks for children. There's other community checks also, like you mentioned, to check in on people who may be living alone.
McVie 表示，長者如果住喺冇空調嘅室內，會面臨更大嘅風險，最好係喺室內安裝溫度計，可以同朋友、家人或者鄰居制定計劃，每日至少進行2次健康檢查。另外，佢亦建議租客同房東商量，安裝百葉窗、空調、風扇等為室內降溫。
It's not going to be the hottest. Like I said, it's not going to be into that heat emergency, but it is going to be longer, so that heat can kind of build up over time.
另外，卑斯工作安全局亦提醒僱主採取措施，保護工人免受高溫同紫外線照射帶嚟嘅風險，例如設立陰涼區域俾工人休息，提供空調、增加輪班等。呢個機構亦都提醒工人要注意休息、大量飲水，喺相對涼爽嘅時間段工作，穿着透氣嘅服裝同使用防曬霜。新時代電視梁家善報導。